Well, ain't this just pretty? It's been forever since I've come outside this early before. But at least, okay, I mean, at least it's been forever since I've come outside this early on on a Saturday, I mean. Here's my stump. Yep. Nice, right? Let's make sure I don't. Alright. Let's, oh, look at all these little flowers. Yep. Yeah, I'm not gonna walk over there. I don't want to shit this one. Alright, whatever. Look at all these dandelions. This place is gonna be infested with them. Damn, it's bright that way. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep it pointed to the grass. I don't want to blind y'all. Eh. Oh, I guess. Hey, wait a second. Ain't y'all supposed to be in the fence? Yeah, I'm sure they're all right. There's the dumpster. There's my dad's truck. And there's a little fridge that he sometimes keeps stuff in. Let's see what he's got in there today. I got some orange juice, and some more orange juice. Let's see what he's got in the. Oh, that's nice. Alright. Just gonna close that. And that too. Oh, is it closed? Yeah, it's all the way. Afternoon there, Mr. Sherbert. I don't know what you're so nervous about, but okay, whatever. That's not actually his name, I don't think. I just thought it was funny. And yeah, I'm sure you guys recognize the little bog back here. Hey, guess what? Today we got tadpoles squirming around. Not sure if you can see them, but they're in there. Yeah, just look really closely at the little black specks in there. You see them? Yeah, they may not look like much now, but give them a few weeks and, they'll be just as big and fat as their parents. No offense to any frogs out there. Then again, well, at night the frogs peep instead of croak, so I don't know. Maybe I don't have regular frogs or bullfrogs or anything. Most likely just peepers. Oh shit, it's still zoomed in. There we go. Alright, sorry if that screwed up your eyes or anything. Well, I think that's enough nature walk for today. I mean, I'm still gonna walk out here for a bit, but I'm just gonna stop recording now. Okay, bye.